It's not enough to just make videos anymore. G'day folks, Den Lennie here with another quick tips video. Today, I want to talk about how the landscape in video production has changed. It's simply not enough to just be a video producer now and create content. You have to think in terms of distribution. You have to think in terms of how can I help the client not only create the content, but also help them distribute it on the channels where their audience are most likely to be, so that they can then embrace that and you can help them communicate their message to that audience. All too often I hear clients talk about how they've made videos and then their clients go, well, it didn't really do much for us. So in the social media space specifically, you have to be thinking in terms of creating content that can be distributed through their channels. And that might mean Instagram, it might mean LinkedIn, it might mean YouTube, Facebook, it might be all of them. But you have to think in terms of distribution. It's no longer enough to just create the content. Talk to you soon, folks.